welcome to another video. I'm just putting the fairing back on. It's come back from the painters and I'm putting it back on so that we can get it off to display associates who are going to do the decals. Now let's have a look. So you can see here that it's been rubbed back from the gloss because it's still got the clear coat to go on after the decals have gone on. The hand grip's still with the painter. That it hasn't been completed yet. Now if we have a look over here at the guard, this one's got the final gloss coat on it. This is the original color, what it is supposed to be, and the rest of the bike is going to look like that with the decals on. I haven't put the other side on yet, but this is one side reassembled. At the beginning of this video series, I said that I would include in the videos why I haven't been producing videos for the last few years, almost 4 years now. That was at the tail end of COVID. We all know about COVID. That was a pain in the butt. But around the same time too, back in 2020, my work moved to 12-hour shifts. Now this is 12 hours on a 24/7 rotating roster. And while I appreciate my days off coming around sooner, I find that on my first day off, I'm shot, and on my second day off, I don't want to do anything. So even though my days off come around sooner, I actually find that I'm less active now than I used to be. So that's essentially why the videos have dried up, and I'm going to try and redeem that and do more videos and put more content up. So thank you very much for hanging around, but that's where we're at. So the bike is being put together again slowly. The final the original color is here. This is with a gloss finish, and the gloss will be on the rest of it once the decals go on. So we'll get that away to display associates shortly to get the decals on, and then the fairing comes off again and it goes back to the painter for the clear coat. So stay tuned and we'll get some more updates on this very shortly. Thank you.